Just like Homo erectus, Neanderthals were also true human beings. They lived in various regions of Europe and Asia between 400,000 to 40,000 years ago, and they were named after the Neander Valley in Germany where their fossils were first discovered. Neanderthals often depicted as primitive and inferior humans because of a few anatomical differences actually look remarkably similar to modern humans. They had a slightly larger cranial capacity with pronounced facial features and robust bodies. But all these traits can still be seen among many people today, and just as modern people today cannot be called primitive for having those features, Neanderthals too should not be depicted as primitive at all. Artifacts found from the regions Neanderthals were living in further prove that they led lives no different from modern humans. They cared for their sick and injured, buried their loved ones with respect, cooked food, made jewelry, wore clothes, created tools, and hunted successfully in changing climates. A community with such an advanced social culture and innovative lifestyle cannot be scientifically described as primitive. Neanderthals also had a good ear for music. A flute made from bare bone had carefully perforated holes for musical tones, and the long-lasting art they produced is evidence of the fact that they had the knowledge of mixing chemicals as well. Many evolutionary scientists are now of the opinion that Neanderthals were intelligent human beings and that they should be considered part of Homo sapiens. Neanderthals and Homo sapiens also coexisted and interbred, which is another point of evidence that they were all one human species and not separate ones. Scientifically, all human beings, no matter what time in the past, always lived complete human lives and proliferated from human parents into diverse groups. They did not evolve from any ape-like creature, nor did any half-ape, half-human being ever walk on the face of the earth. It would be totally unscientific and unfair to keep drawing Neanderthals as lesser humans when every scientific finding proves them to be smart, intelligent, and totally human-like.